This is my car. It's called the Colt Mobile. Let's take a look at it. It's a Renault Express van. It's got 3 seats because I added one. It's actually quite beautiful, believe it or not. Come on, let's get in it. The windows keep falling down, just like London Bridge. So, this is in the car. It's got my driving hat in it. See, look, it's got all the things that remind you of home. Very nice. Hey, cough. I got quite creepy out here. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing alright, how are you? Okay, fuck off. In the back, there is another seat. It's been sellotaped to the floor. And this, it doubles. This is a hat. It also doubles as a rest cover. Take a look at him. This little faggot has 5 years. Better believe it. Its top speed is 60 mph. That's quite quick in France. And look up here, it's got a balaclava, just in case I want to go rob some places. I'm not going to get away from the cops because it only gets up to what, like 50 and 60 mph. It's got a pair of sunglasses in it. These are my glasses. What's up? How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look in the back, shall we? Come on. Get out of it, come on. Ugh. It's hard because it's small. Here we got the back bit. See? Here in my garage. It's not a Lamborghini, but it is a car nonetheless. Ugh. As many seats as you want, as long as you sellotape them down yourself. It's not legal, but it works. Here, you can open the doors a little bit wider, see? Sorry, hold on. See? Open the doors wide. Wider than your mama pussy. Anyway, that's enough swear words being flung. End of video. Hope you liked it.